How to fix Domino's account login not working. Let's get started. Check internet connection. Ensure your device has a stable internet connection. Launch your settings. Then navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch between networks. If you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi, and in the case you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data. Next, double check your credentials. Ensure you are entering the correct email address and the password. Double check for typos, especially if you are using case sensitive letters. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forget Password to recover your password. If you are using the Dominos app, an outdated version may prevent you from logging in. So head towards App Store or Play Store, search for the app Dominos. After app appears, you'll see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. If you have tried multiple times and still can't log in, resetting your password may resolve the issue. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy, it might interfere with your login attempts. Try disabling the VPN or proxy and logging in again. Restarting your phone or computer can help fix temporary glitches that may be causing the login problem. After restarting, try logging in again. If none of above solutions work, you may need to contact Domino's customer support. Head over to your preferred browser, then type in Domino's customer support. Navigate to the very first one website and contact Domino's customer support. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So that's the wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.